Imagine buying millions of books, cutting off their covers, scanning every page, and then destroying the originals. Sounds too harsh to be true? It's not. It actually happened. Anthropic, the company behind Claude AI, built its brand around AI safety and responsible development. But a recently revealed project called Project Panama has raised difficult questions about those principles. Internal Anthropic documents explicitly stated, Project Panama is our effort to destructively scan all the books in the world. We don't want it to be known that we are working on this. Anthropic spent tens of millions of dollars buying millions of physical used books in bulk. They brought them to industrial facilities, used hydraulic blades to cut off their spines, fed the pages into high-speed scanners to train Claude, and then pulped the remaining paper. Why did they do this? Before Panama, Anthropic ingested over 7 million pirated digital books from shadow libraries like LibGen and Books3, an act that led to a massive $1.5 billion copyright lawsuit. Critics argue this approach was designed to take advantage of legal protections around purchased physical copies. Anthropic argued that legally purchased books and transformative AI training fell within fair use. But critics say it tests the limits of copyright laws written decades before AI existed. Here's what worries me. A scanned PDF preserves the words, but it doesn't preserve everything. A rare edition, handwritten notes, historic bindings, or the story behind a physical book can never truly be recreated once it's destroyed. And another question, what happens if those digital copies are hacked, corrupted, or altered in the future? Today we trust servers, but history teaches us that technology changes, companies disappear, and data can be lost. That's one reason libraries and museums still preserve physical originals whenever possible. And this concern goes beyond books. Even within the AI industry, many researchers and employees have warned that powerful AI systems need stronger oversight. In July, more than 1,100 employees of AI companies themselves, including OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, and Meta, signed an open letter urging governments to create better oversight and control mechanisms for AI. When AI creators themselves are demanding control and oversight, the existence of a single surviving copy of a rare book on a private server is a legitimate concern. This raises an uncomfortable question about the gap between AI companies' public values and the realities of building these systems. Anthropic claimed to be different, but maybe this isn't just an Anthropic story. Maybe it's the story of the AI race itself, moving fast, training on vast amounts of human-created knowledge, and letting legal battles decide the boundaries later. Is turning humanity's library into AI training data the next step in preserving knowledge? Or are we sacrificing something irreplaceable in the process? Because maybe the biggest question isn't whether AI can learn from humanity's knowledge. Maybe the question is, how do we make sure humanity doesn't lose control of that knowledge in the process? Let me know your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more deep dives into digital ethics.